Whenever you are washing dishes and start noticing that water in the sink is backing up, that means that the drain is probably clogged. This problem will most likely end up happening to someone who is not careful and does not take the most basic precautions. Most of the time, the backup happens due to a buildup of fat in the pipes. When we rinse fat down the drain, it's normally liquid but ends up congealing and blocking pipes. Pieces of food and vegetables or fruits peel can also pile up when and where the pipes curved and keep the water from flowing. So what do you do when this happens? Do you call a plumber or do you buy a chemical product to unclog your sink? Most people probably doesn't know that these products contain harmful substances that can cause skin irritation and breathing problems. In today's video, we are going to show you a cheap natural alternative to unclog your kitchen sink. It's all need hot water, salt and baking soda. All you need is this. Pour half of cup of salt and baking soda in your drain and wait for it to go down. Then boil 2 buckets of water and turn off the stove as soon as the water starts bubbling. Pour the water down the drain slowly. The hot water will melt the fat built up in the pipes. After the water you boiled is all gone down the drain, after the water, run off some more hot water from the area. Just make sure that the salt scratchy texture will help remove any leftover fat. You can also substitute the salt for dish detergent. In this case, boil the water as you did before and mix in a few spoons of detergent and baking soda. Then pour this in the sink drain. Pour the soapy water down the drain just as before. Make sure the water must be boiling. Then the detergent and the salt and the baking soda will help to dissolve any fat melted by the water and your pipes will be as good as new. If the buildup is being caused by pieces of food, then your best option is to unclog it manually by using the pump. Try that after pouring boiled water down the sink to remove any stray pieces of food. Do you have any other tips to unclog skin drains? Then you must share it in the comment section. So if you like my video, do hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you are new on my channel, because I will share you the more important tips for the kitchen and all about your skin. So you must push the water manually to clean the drain. If your water is directly go down from the pipe, then you don't need to remove it manually. Take out all the hair or food pieces from the drain, take it out. This will help you to save your pocket. You don't need to call a plumber, and it will help you to block your pipes, because it is very expensive to open all the pipes to resolve this problem. So in this video you have learned how to unclog the drain and sink problems. Keep watching my video and leave your comment in the comment section that have you get rid of this problem or not.